In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can install a Whitestone Camera Lens Protector on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Alright, so this is the lens cover for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So let's see how you can install it. Now before we can begin, we need to give the lens module a good clean. So inside the packet comes with this cleaning cloth. It has this alcohol wipe. So we're going to use it to clean the camera lens in the surrounding area. Give it a good clean so that we can thoroughly remove all the dust and debris. This will help the lens protector to adhere or attach to the base of the camera module. Okay, so we're just going to give it a good clean. Then after that, we're going to use this microfiber cloth and give it a good wipe to dry it up. Okay, after that, give it a good clean. We're going to use the dust remover. So using the dust remover, we're going to remove the dust on the camera lens and the surrounding area. It's quite important that we remove all the dust in the surrounding area so that it can help the camera lens protector to attach to the base. Alright, so once you have done that, we go now to peel out the adhesive or the stickers at the back here. It is a double-sided tape, so slowly peel them out. Okay, so peel it out, and then we're going to place it onto the camera module this way. Okay, so make sure the flashlight is that and the sensor light, so make sure you have it in the right place, and then simply put it down and then squeeze it firmly, press it down firmly onto the camera lens module. Okay, so once you have done that, then you're all good. It's ready to go. So this is what it looks like on the side. You can see it stick all the way down to the camera module, which is very nice, and it looks very nice as well. This is kind of like a metal base, so it's very high quality camera lens protector. And the fact that I like, it has a cutout on the flashlight right here, so when you are taking a photo at night time, the flashlight does not reflect back onto the glasses. If you have a camera lens protector which also covers the camera lens, sometimes what happens is when you take a photo at night time using the flashlight bounces off the top edge of your protector, and it bounces back into the camera lens, causing you to have a blurry picture. So the fact that this camera lens protector has a cutout for the flashlight and for the camera lens, it actually helps you to take a perfect picture. And it's quite nice. It doesn't come off easily. I can try to pull it out. You can see it does not come off. It's really sticky to the base. You can take it off at a later point in time if you want to remove it, but they are not easy. It won't come off easily. And that's it. So that's how you can install the Whitestone dome glass camera lens protector on the iPhone 13 Pro. This is a larger size. It's a Pro Max version. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.